No, but like literally, dude, there's no service on my phone right now. All right, come on, let's go. So we're visiting my old job at Woodbury Common Outlets in New York. Right after this, we're gonna go back to Ryan's house. Oh no, I gotta get a haircut actually. Yeah, so we're visiting my old job. Got to quit that because I started vlogging full time now. Oh fuck, out of a mask, dude. Ah, fuck it, let's go. I can. Oh my god, dude, I'm causing a scene. It's so dead. We're hitting up my old job. I'm gonna be like, yeah, I do YouTube full time now. I make bread on it. I got like millions of subscribers. And then when they're like, what's your channel name? I'm like, Jerry Springfield. Yo, how are you, dude?
Nothing has changed.
Chilling. Nothing's changed. Dude, I walk in, no mask. I was like, can you guys get me a mask?
Literally, you'll be the one walking in.
Yeah, some guy yelled at me. We were walking by, and the guy was like, yo, dude, you need a mask, man. I'm like, dude, I'm fucking outside. I'm not even close to you. I'm negative. I'm literally negative. I just want to walk around and be like, yo, I'm negative. The love of my life is here. Dude, they don't give a fuck if I feel. Hi, how are you? Oh my god, come here. Kendall. Hey. Oh, look, Jasmine's here. Hi. Hey, how are you? I want to like hug Kendall. She's the love of my life, dude. She's so hot. Arthur, you want to be in my YouTube video? I said, do you want to be in my YouTube video? He's recording me. You're probably like, who is this freak recording me?
I don't want to be in the YouTube video.
Why not? You'd love it.
Only the different kind of videos.
I'll give you a kiss. If I give you a kiss, then would you be in it?
No, that would not.
Kiss me through the mask. Hi. Hi, beautiful. I'm good. How's everything? What? No. No shot. She's the love of my life.
Does she know?
Does she know that she's the love of my life? I don't know. Kendall, you're the love of my life. Dude, she just laughed. Watch, ready? Woo woo woo! No, I can't. Oh my god. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Woo! Sit! Kobe! Watch, ready? Sit! Yeah, that's right, bitch. Paul. Ain't nothing. Don't worry, I'll give him. Don't worry, I'm not a dick. I'll give him a treat later. Eric's always just like, what are you doing? Gotta get a haircut. So I'm gonna call the barber right now. Make sure I can actually get a haircut today. They're playing music over there. You can't hear it though. Here I am, gonna rock you like a hurricane. My hair is just getting so long, you know. Hey, how's it going? Are you guys accepting walk-ins today?
Of course, every day.
Okay, great. I'll see you soon. We're going to get a haircut. It's fucking locked. Did you do that on purpose? How does it lock? So we literally just came in. But I'm gonna stop at Chase. I gotta get some cash, and then I'm gonna get a haircut.
Okay. And then you're gonna get a haircut, and then you're going to Ryan. Dan sleeping over there too?
Yeah. We slept over. We slept on the fucking floor, but so tomorrow it's supposed to be like 16 inches, I think.
You staying at Mom's? Did you have that jelly soup? Was it good?
The fuck did you just say?
No, I was reading something.
What? I thought you were saying with me. So why are you calling me?
Mom, bye. Love you. I gotta deliver.
Oh, okay.
Bye.
All right, bye.
Love you. Bye, honey. Bye.
She just like starts talking, and it's not to me, and then just hangs up. Fuck it, I'm gonna get hit by a car. Oh shit. Oh, I got a mask. We're good. Hey, what's going on? Over here? How's everything? Good? I haven't been here in a long time.
Oh,
Yeah. I moved down the shore, Jersey Shore.
yeah? Okay.
Yeah, I used to come here for like every haircut, and then I had to find a place down there. But this place is the best, I swear. Wait, what?
For Corona.
They might close again?
Yeah.
No way.
Report.
That'd be such bullshit. Looks good. Oh yeah. Perfect. I mean, there wasn't anything funny that happened really. Like just I literally went in and got a fucking haircut. That haircut took 15 minutes. Yo, this is a fucking nice haircut, I'll tell you that. I feel like when the camera's on me, it just feels forced. But like when the camera's not on me, I'm just like, hey, what's going on? What's going on? Hey, hey! Like, I'm fucking normal. When the camera's on me, I'm trying to force something. I don't know what I'm trying to force. But we're here in my childhood room. Hey, what's going on? I'm here in my childhood room. I'm grabbing my snowboard. I'm grabbing my boots. This is like the third fucking time I'm doing this. This is the third time I'm explaining what the fuck we're doing in my childhood room. My dad's got all of his shit in here. I don't know why. He's coming home. I did that painting. Fucking... what else? On that note, my dad's home. Oh, let's go say what's up to my dad.
You driving down the shore now? It's 2. Open this up. What is it? It's from Albany.
From Albany? Your license permitted ID card. Dude, that's lit. I'm fucking officially 21 now. Why? It doesn't fucking matter.
I bought Tylenol because I'm aching.
Blackjack, come here.
And when they come from outside, they're like cold.
They spilt the water everywhere. Like, oh. Dude, you don't do the fucking dishes in here?
This fucking sink.
He's
an
what
idiot.
the fuck's going on?
Fucking Mike, he's a jerk. I do the dishes that I need upstairs. Oh, Mama put it there because fucking what's that cat's missing? Eminem.
She just ran away. Dude, I think she's a Persia. Oh, there she goes. She's going that way.
Look what I got, so I'm not searching for it.
Gloves? Oh, gloves and a hat.
To shovel.
Nice. Oh, there she is. Come here. Persia, come here. I don't want to like chase her away more. Dude, she'll be fine. Got my new license. Look, wait, fuck. Look, the magic of Christmas. It's starting to snow. Look, the magic of Christmas. It's starting to snow. Look, it's starting to snow. The magic of Christmas. Why is there a brick here? Why is there a brick here? Why is there a brick in the fucking yard? What the fuck is this? What is that? Why is it in the yard? Do you need help?
Look, I got an oil delivery, $400. Boom. Look, you're saying I got no food. I got plenty of food.
No, well, you just bought it. It was nothing before.
That's why I like shopping. Because when I go to work, then I fucking DoorDash to the post office. Yeah.
Oh, you get
it's
DoorDash.
Expensive.
How much is it?
Your haircut was $25?
Well, it's 20 and then I get $5 tip.
Well, they raised the fucking prices too.
Yeah, they did.
COVID raised everything.
Yeah.
Food, everything.
I thought it'd lower it.
Inflation is
I know, it's
crazy.
bullshit. It's crazy. It's like more than 2% this year.
Yeah, it's supply and demand, dude.
It's fucked up.
You want Virginia ham?
Dude, why don't you just come hang out at Ryan's house with us?
I should, but
That'd be
I'm in
funny.
the comfort of my own bed and watch TV.
Is that what you're gonna do?
I'm afraid Mama didn't pay the fucking electric bill. Imagine they shut off the fucking electric during the storm. Ha! Oh, my meter has been upgraded. I'm not shutting off my electric. Excellent.
Early in the morning when the sun does rise, laying in the bed with bloodshot eyes.
Alright, I'm good.
So we didn't really get snowed in.
You don't have to yell. The mic.
We didn't really get snowed in. I mean, there was a good like maybe foot. Some spots are a little like less deep than others. Ready? This isn't that cool. No. That was kind of cool.
No, I kind of like push off here.
Just fucking go. Yeah, just jump. Yeah, nowhere. All right, take your phone. This year is brought to you by Umberto Piccinich. Oh, my nuts. Damn it! Look at this shit. Dude, I didn't want to put my snow pants on. I definitely should have. We have to like smoothen it out so we can go faster. Oh.
Ryan, you were dragging your feet. That's why I was going slow. It's like driving with your brakes on.
That was it. I'd be so bad at videography. A week later, my arm in a That was definitely not a good shot. Look at this fucking view. It never gets old, but in fact it does. I wanna run outside with shorts and a t-shirt on with the dog and like have him chase me. I know it's fucking going because that stupid sound pierces my ears every time and then it just turns stupid. Going outside, it's a pretty nice day out, honestly, in Warwick. It's like 80 degrees. It's beautiful out. You wanna go out, Kobe? Come on. Let's go. Listen up, bitch. Listen, hey, come here, hey, stop. Ready? Hey, come here, you fucking idiot. Alright, I can't do this shit.
Wait.
I can't. Bro, my feet. Was that funny? Hi. You have fun? Nah, it feels forced. Wim Hof method, right? I think I'm good now. No pain. Ay, Chihuahua! I literally shit on you, dude. Like, how do you feel? Ooh. 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 Yeah, I'm in. Oh, hey. Warming the tootsies up now.
As my mind is speeding by, I'm holding on. Asking God to help him, are you hearing me? Girl is telling me she don't know what she want. Lot of demons creeping up, the living underneath.